It's a really nice day. Dang. Ladies and gents on TV, here's another vlog. I mean, I went on a walk just to get some mail, but dang, it's really nice. I kind of want to walk around some more, just because, again, it's really nice. I'm repeating myself. But, yeah. Weather's been good. It's actually, like, the temperature's not that bad either, so, yeah. I probably will go on a walk. Walks are nice. I don't know what else I can say without, like, being redundant, so, yeah. Okay, so it's much later now, and I did go on a walk. It was pretty nice. Bought some ice cream. But, I think I'm coming down with a cough. Like, my voice has been pretty scratchy these past few days, and I've been coughing more. So, yeah. And it's weird, because I need to record some videos. And I don't think it's because my throat is dry. I don't think that's the reason why my voice has been like this. I think I might actually be getting sick, which is a pain, because I really don't get sick that often. And can you tell that it sounds like I'm losing my voice? I'm trying not to, like, talk too much, but, yeah. That is a thing. Yeah, it's a thing. So, yeah. I think I'm gonna end off this vlog, find some cough drops, and sleep.